If you're wondering what happened to the microwave in the cafeteria, well, it's broke. The cafeteria workers have not been the same since the loss of their dear microwave, and now she spends her days searching for hope. She found a penny.
A lot of times we find pennies and on the floor where they can pick up the pennies, put them in the jug, and eventually we will get enough. There will be enough for them to get their own microwave, sit it out in the field.
Ma'am, are you suggesting that each student here gets their own microwave?
No, just a bunch of pennies and everybody gets to use the microwave.
What on earth are you talking about, ma'am?
Are you out of your mind? Yeah.
At a recent press conference, the cafeteria workers announced that if they find the culprit, they're going to...
We're going to whoop their butt and come here and we'll give them a reality check.
At the reality check store. Where's the microwave?
It's broken.
Who broke the microwave?
I didn't do it.
If you didn't, then who?
I don't know.
But they want to know, who did break the microwave?
Did you break the microwave?
No, one of your students did.
The kids broke it.
Oh, are you one of the kids?
Not I. I'm just the reporter. Do you know how to operate a microwave?
No. Sit it out in the field, and then everybody else will have to, all you kids will be responsible for that. We don't have it anymore. It's broken.
It's broken. We don't have it anymore. The microwave the students loved and cherished is now gone.
Oh my gosh!
So I set out on a quest for the truth. This student claims to have witnessed the microwave missing.
They broke the microwave. They were picking it up, moving it hand by hand, dropped it, smack dab on the floor.
They threw it?
No, they just dropped it.
So they were throwing the microwave?
No, they were dropping.
So they threw the microwave across the room, it hit the floor and broke.
They broke it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's a reenactment of what possibly went on.
Let me show those boys what they're supposed to do. Get up there at this point.
Have fun.
For what you could have for a few.
What? That's going to be on TV, you know.
And so it seems that the only ones to blame are the cafeteria workers alone.
And so we've come to the conclusion of this microwave mishap. I'm Cody Easterbrook. Back to you.
And now you're going to show this in the... Turn that off!